All right, it is movie review time again, and I just finished watching the movie Blood and Gold, which is playing on Netflix. And this is a movie that is set at the end of World War II, and it involves, of course, as I've said before, Indiana Jones' favorite bad guys and some gold. And if that sounds familiar to you, it should, because there was another movie that I reviewed a few weeks ago called Sisu, which was similar in that setup. And between the two, I say you need to watch Sisu. If you've not seen that one, that's the one you need to watch. Skip Blood and Gold. Just skip it. It's not worth seeing, especially if you watch both of them. In my opinion, you'll see that Sisu is vastly superior. Blood and Gold, compared action-wise, let's say compared it to Sisu, compare it to John Wick 4. It's just basic action compared to those and just other action movies. The dialogue is not that strong. There's some small bits of humor, and I know it's a serious movie set during a very serious time in Earth's history, but I don't know, it just didn't work for me. One of the things that really, really bothered me, and I don't tend to talk about this much, was the score. I don't know, the score was just didn't work. It got annoying in parts. I read something just a minute before I did this. They were comparing it almost to like a spaghetti western, and there were a couple of times with the score that it had a western type feel to me, and that just did not work. This movie is set at the end of World War II. I didn't get it. I really just didn't get it. So I'm not sure what that was all about, but that just really undermined the whole movie itself. Now, I watched on Netflix, and I watched it dubbed. I don't know. If you can watch it in the undubbed version, I recommend that, because this was not the filmmaker's issue, but that just really, to me, detracted from the movie. I don't think if I'd seen it in the original German tongue that it would have made a difference in how I feel about the movie, but it certainly did distract a little bit from it. But overall, it just was not that good of a movie. Again, I'm going to come back to Sisu. If you get a chance to see it, if you've seen Blood and Gold and you see Sisu, compare them, let me know what you think. But I think it's a far superior movie. In fact, I can only give Blood and Gold 1 out of 5 stars.